Hi, in continuation to the previous videos, now we'll discuss some more problems which are related to numbers and the corresponding problem solutions for those numbers. The main motto behind in creating these videos to improve the logical thinking for the kids. Especially it will be helpful to the kids who are up to 6th class to get the basics of this logical reasoning, and it will help to gain some more knowledge in the further classes, and it will be helpful to appear for many competitive exams. Okay, I'll take some sample problems over here. Okay, the problem here is that there are two numbers. Okay, we don't know the numbers, that is there are two numbers x and y. Okay, the problem is that the sum of these two numbers is equals to their twice of their difference of the number. Okay, out of this we got y value as 50. Okay, y as 50 in the problem, y value given as the value as 50. Then we need to find the values of x and y. Okay, so to solve this problem, because what we have, the condition what they given is that the sum of the numbers is equal to twice of their difference, means it is twice of the difference of those numbers. Okay, but in the problem, what is the condition given? They have given the value y as 50. Okay, to solve that, first we need to apply the simple logic. What is sum of the two numbers is what? X plus 50, because already the value of y is given, so x plus 50 is equal to what? 2 into their difference, means x minus 50, because already 2 into x minus y. Okay, but already we know the value of y, that is 2 into x minus 50. Okay, so x plus 50 is equals to 2 into x minus 50. Okay, what is the value when you multiply here? What value you will get? 2 into x is equal to 2x minus 2 into 50 is what? 5 2 10, 100. Okay, x plus 50, you know the value already. Okay, so here what we can do? Here the value minus 100. When it comes here, it will be plus. X plus 50 plus 100 is equal to how much? 2x. So when x is plus value over here, when it goes here, it will be minus. So 50 plus 100, that is 150. So is equal to 2x minus x. 2x minus x is what? It is x. So what is the value of x? That is 150. Okay, so x value we got as 150. So we will verify whether actually this sum is equals to twice of the difference or not. Okay, sum is what? X plus y. X plus y is equal to how much? 150 plus 50. Why 50? Because already in the problem, y value has given us 50 is equal to what? 200. Okay, when you do difference between these two numbers, that is 2 into x minus y. What is the value? 2 into 150 minus 50. That is 2 into 100. What is the value? 200. So it is fulfilling the answers whatever we got. So the simple logic is that we need to apply the logic based on the conditions given in the problem. Now we will discuss one more problem that is also related to the number logic. Okay, there are two unknown numbers, that is x and y. Okay, here the condition is that the sum of the squares of the two numbers, that is x square plus y square, is 136. Okay, and the difference of the squares means what? X square minus y square, that is equal to, okay, here the value x, sum of the two numbers is that is 136, and difference of the square is equals to 64. Then the problem is we need the multiplication of these two numbers. Okay, we need the multiplication value of these two numbers, that is the product of the two numbers. So already the conditions what we have, the first condition is x square plus y square is 136 given, and what is the second condition? Difference of the square of the numbers, that is 64 they have given. Okay, so what you can do, you can find the values very easily. Okay, so just add this one. Okay, add this one. So x square plus x square what? 2x square. Okay, and here plus y square minus y square, so nothing, plus 0 is equal to what? 136 plus 64, how much? 10. 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 6 is equal to 10, that is 2. So 2x square is equal to what? 2x square is equal to 200. Then what is the value of x square? X square is equal to 200 by 2, which will give a value as 100. When x square is equal to 100, what is the value of x? What is the value of x? X is equal to 10. Okay, so now it is very easy to find the value of y. Why? How can you find the value? 100 plus y square is equal to 136. How I got this value? Because the condition is x square plus y square is equal to 136. Already we know the value of x. When you replace the value here, x square is 10 square, that is 100 plus y square is equal to 136. So then y square is equal to what? 136 minus 100, that is 36. Then what is the value of y? 6 into 6, that is 6 into 6 means the value of y is 6 only, because when you say y square, it is 6 into 6. Then what is the value of y? It is 6. Here if you apply the logic, if you verify the value also, 100 plus 36 is equal to how much? 136. When you subtract 100 minus 36 also, you will get the value as 64. So what is the question? You need to find the product of x and y. What is the product of x and y? X star y, that is 10 into 6. The answer is 60. This is the way, by using the existing condition whatever given in the problem, just by using those conditions only, by applying simple plus and minus, you will easily find the values of x and y. So this kind of problems will come in many competitive exams. Just the only thing is we need to use the conditions whatever given in the problem in an effective manner. Thank you.